Welcome to our guide on the captivating and diverse world of Dendrobium orchids. Dendrobium orchids are a captivating and diverse group within one of the largest orchid genera, with over 1,500 species originating from tropical and subtropical regions in Asia, Australia and the Pacific Islands. Their natural beauty lies in their striking flowers, graceful arching canes, and the remarkable adaptations such as pseudobulbs that help them endure varying environmental conditions. Many species are prized for their distinct aesthetics, making them a favorite among orchid collectors and enthusiasts. Some of the most famous species include Dendrobium nobile. Known for its fragrant flowers and medicinal uses, this species is widely cultivated. Dendrobium phalaenopsis, popular for its large, showy flowers resembling phalaenopsis orchids. Dendrobium kingianum, native to Australia, it is admired for its compact growth and vibrant flowers. Dendrobium bigibbum, often called the Cooktown orchid, it is the floral emblem of Queensland, Australia. Dendrobium anosmum, famous for its sweetly scented pendulous flowers. Dendrobium chrysotoxum, eye-catching golden flowers with a sweet fragrance. Dendrobium farmeri produces clusters of pastel-colored flowers in an attractive arrangement. Dendrobium aggregatum, notable for its cascading golden yellow flowers. Dendrobium victoria reginae, a rare beauty with striking blue-violet flowers, prefers cooler and moist growing conditions. Proper watering is the cornerstone of maintaining healthy Dendrobium orchids. Their roots need moisture, yet they must also enjoy ample air circulation to prevent rot. During spring and summer, water when the potting medium begins to dry. This could range from every day to every few days, depending on ambient conditions. Many Dendrobium species, like Dendrobium nobile, enter a rest period in winter, reduce watering during these months, allowing the medium to dry more thoroughly between waterings. Use tepid or room temperature water to avoid shocking the roots. Water early in the day to allow evaporation before nighttime, minimizing the risk of fungal diseases. Always ensure that water drains freely from the pot to prevent waterlogging. Soft or rainwater is ideal, as hard water can lead to salt buildup that might damage sensitive roots. Temperature plays a key role in metabolic processes, flowering and dormancy for Dendrobium orchids. Most species thrive at 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. A slight warm bias during the day encourages robust growth. Cooler nights around 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius are beneficial, especially for triggering flowering in species that use temperature shifts as a blooming cue. Some Dendrobiums require a distinct cool period in winter to stimulate flowering. Avoid sudden drafts or extreme temperature differences that can stress the plant. Light is vital for photosynthesis and overall plant vigor. Dendrobiums flourish best with bright yet indirect light. Provide bright, diffused sunlight equivalent to 10,000–20,000 lux, clinging to rocky outcrops and exposed cliffs. Unlike its more flamboyant relatives, Dendrobium kingianum is a study in understated elegance. Its flowers, though smaller in size, are no less captivating. An east or west-facing window works well. The gentle morning or late afternoon light offers the intensity needed without overheating. If natural sunlight is limited, supplement with quality LED or fluorescent grow lights designed for orchids. Position these lights close enough to mimic filtered sunlight, but avoid direct exposure that could lead to leaf burn. While a few hours of direct sunlight can be beneficial, prolonged exposure may scorch the leaves and cause stress. The right substrate provides the foundation for healthy roots by ensuring proper drainage and aeration. A mix of coarse fir or orchid bark, coconut husk chips and perlite works well. In some cases, a touch of activated charcoal can be added to help filter impurities and regulate pH levels. Some growers incorporate sphagnum moss to retain a modicum of moisture, especially in arid climates, but ensure it's well draining. Humidity is essential for mimicking the orchid's natural tropical habitat and encouraging strong growth. Aim for a relative humidity between 40% and 70%. In drier indoor environments, consider increasing humidity with a humidifier, pebble trays, or regular misting. While high humidity is beneficial, it's equally important to have good air circulation. A small fan or an open window can help minimize the risk of fungal infections. Proper nutrition is vital for sustained growth and optimal blooming. Use a balanced water-soluble orchid fertilizer, for example, one with an NPK ratio like 20-20-20 that's diluted to about 1/4 or 1/2 the recommended strength. During spring and summer season, fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks. Reduce or temporarily cease fertilization during the winter rest period to avoid nutrient burn or excess salt buildup. Expanding your dendrobium collection can be achieved using several techniques. Many dendrobiums produce multiple pseudobulbs. During repotting or the dormancy period, you can gently separate these along with a portion of the root system to create new plants. Some species generate keikis or small plantlets on the flower stems or near the base. Once the keiki has developed a set of roots, carefully remove and repot it. For enthusiasts with advanced skills and equipment, micropropagation via tissue culture can produce numerous genetically identical, disease-free plants in a sterile laboratory environment. Even with diligent care, Dendrobium orchids can experience challenges. Recognizing early signs can help you address issues before they become severe. Yellowing or spotting on leaves, along with soft and mushy roots, can indicate fungal infections. To treat, first ensure good drainage, proper watering, and adequate air circulation. In severe cases, fungicides may be used. Soft, discolored tissue around wounds or at the base of the plant can be a sign of a bacterial infection. Remove the affected tissue promptly when you see these symptoms. Aphids, spider mites, scales, and mealybugs can attach to new growth or hidden areas. To prevent this problem, regularly inspect the plant and use insecticidal soaps or neem oil if necessary. Curling, discoloration, or malformed leaves may indicate nutrient deficiencies or imbalances in water, light, or humidity. In these cases, modify your fertilizer regimen, ensure balanced watering, and tweak light levels if necessary. Prevention is key. Maintaining a consistent care routine, proper sanitation, and environmental stability is essential to minimize the risk of disease.